Welcome to English in 5 minutes with AI. In just 5 minutes a day, you'll be able to master 10 powerful English expressions that will help you speak more confidently and naturally. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or just want to sound like a native speaker, this channel is your perfect companion. Join us every day for fresh, engaging content powered by AI and watch your English skills grow in no time. Let's get started.
My kids think this TV show is the best thing since sliced bread. Marcelo stole the show with his amazing singing. The ice cream at Giuseppe's parlor really is the bee's knees. My new TV is miles ahead of my old one. The workmen have done a first-class job on our kitchen, it looks beautiful. The view from the top of the mountain is totally out of this world, you can see for miles. Francisco thinks the world of his grandson, he loves spending time with him. World-class athletes need to train for a few hours every day. We had a wonderful boat trip, the icing on the cake was seeing some dolphins.
Elisa just moved into the house of her dreams, it's a fabulous lakeside villa.
Thank you so much for watching English in 5 minutes with AI. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more daily lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And remember, improve your English in 5 minutes a day. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.